Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Redgear MT01s Blaze Membrane Gaming Keyboard. This is the Tournament Edition. There is an image of what this keyboard is going to look like. It has a black color scheme. Over here it's written it's made from the finest aluminum alloy. Redgear Blaze give you the strongest body ever for a keyboard. Using the finest aluminum structure combined with 160 cm nylon braided copper cable. Redgear Blaze illuminated by 7 color backlit with breathing mode selection. So basically it comes with LED lights, breathing LED lights. Also there are 104 keys. Basically it's a full keyboard. You can see from the picture that there is a numpad right over here. 7 color backlighting, 19 key rollovers, floating key architecture. Okay, you can press function and page up, page down to control the brightness. You can this also comes with Windows lock. It has a lifespan of 10 million keystrokes and weighs around 895 grams. That's it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. This is it. This is what you find inside the box. There is a sticker from Redgear that you can attach to your CPU ideally. Okay, so this is what the MT01s Blaze looks like. This is a membrane keyboard. So all of the bases are the same. It also has mechanical functionalities to it. It definitely sounds like a mechanical keyboard. This particular chassis is made out of metal and it looks very tough. It definitely is. It's not very heavy. It's actually quite lightweight. It weighs a little less than a kilogram. It also has a black color scheme all over. Let's take a look at the cable now. So this is the braided cable that comes along with it. This is almost 1.5 meters long. It's definitely longer than a meter. Yeah, this is around 1.5 meters long. And you have a USB-A connector on one end. So I'm going to plug it to my keyboard, to my laptop, sorry, and show you the breathing lights. So the moment I connect it, the lights turn on. So I have to now look for the buttons that control the breathing lights. So the page up, page down function control the lights. So I'm going to click on function. When you press the function and scroll lock key, you get the breathing lights. So now you can see the lights are moving around. Then there's the num lock key, there is a caps lock key, and finally we have a scroll lock key itself. Okay, additionally, if you just press the scroll lock button, you will cycle through the different presets, the different RGB presets, just like that. You can toggle through them basically. And let's keep it over here and let's take a look at the breathing lights once again. You can switch to another preset and press the breathing lights again. Okay, it doesn't work like that. So yeah, that's about it. Every time you press scroll lock, you cycle to the different presets, and you press function key and scroll lock to start the breathing activity. Underneath you have two anti-slip rubber stops right over here. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Redgear MT01s Blaze Membrane Gaming Keyboard. Thank you for watching.